Hello there, welcome to our channel Login Helps again. Hope you're doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to log into your router from your computer. And now without further ado, let's dive right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Okay, let's go. First, make sure that your computer is connected to your router via Wi-Fi or Ethernet. Both are applicable the same way. Now, second, to open or see your default IP address to your router, click on Windows and R, Windows button and R, and after that you can see run command pop-up has opened, and on the bar over here, open bar over here, type in cmd and hit enter, and after that your command prompt will open. On the command prompt, type ipconfig and hit enter. After that, you can see the default gateway appear over here, which is the 192.168.101.01. This is the default gateway. Copy that and open up your preferred browser. For me, it will be the Google Chrome, and paste the default address you just copied like this and hit enter. As you can see, my internet is provided by the carrier name Vianet, so its user ID and prompt has opened, and you can see similarly you can log into your router by using the same function and type in your username over here and password over here to log in. Similarly, your interface will be also same, and if not, if you cannot log into your router by this method, you will need to contact your ISP distributor, because they have set up the database in a separate way. So you will need to connect to them or call them and ask for the login portal of your internet to them. And there, guys, this is how you log into your router. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.